The second Sunday News Hour debate on Times Now Super Prime Time.
On the second debate tonight, Piyush Goyal, Rajya Sabha MP and National Treasurer of the BJP, Congress spokesperson Abid Rasool Khan, Shahid Siddiqui, Chief Editor of the Nai Dunya, Dr. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani of the Muslim Political Council of India, Madhukar Jaitley of the Samajwadi Party. My first question before I go across to Piyush Goyal is to Shahid Siddiqui. Let's get his view first before I go to the Shahid Siddiqui. Why do you think AK Antony is now opening the feelers and asking even the left front to join hands with the Congress party? Why do you think they are leaving what happened in 2008 behind?
They have been saying this privately for last so many months, nearly a year. They gave up. They realized that they are losing the election. This was a huge mistake on the part of the Congress. This was a bad strategy, because once you say that we are not going to make Rahul the Prime Minister or Congress leader the Prime Minister, but our job is to stop Modi at any cost. Once you say that, you have accepted that you are going to be defeated. And if you say that, then you have demoralized your party workers, and even your senior leaders who are not ready to now face the electorate. And as a result, they are going to do much worse than they would have done otherwise. It's the fault of the top leadership in forming this strategy, where they are going out and saying our job is to stop the leader of the opposition.
That's right.
Not that we are going to come to power and we have a strategy to come to power.
No,
that is not there. Why would congressman that saying that, look, Rahul will be the next Prime Minister? They don't say that. They are too afraid to say that. They say we will stop.
Self-goal by the Congress party. Let's go to them next.
Absolutely, it's a self-goal by the Congress. It's a huge immature leadership.
I'll tell before I go to the BJP. Abid Rasool Khan, your leader Rahul Gandhi in September 2010 said, for the last 33 years, he told the left this, okay? Remember, this is what he told the left. He said, for the last 33 years, your left front leadership has been blinded by a failed ideology. It is a failed ideology that has failed in every other part of the world. Even the Cubans are changing their position. He said, when I go to China, the Chinese are astounded at what's going on in Bengal. They ask me, he says communist leaders in China ask Rahul Gandhi, what is going on in communist Bengal? Now, I don't know if I can believe that the communist Politburo is sitting there and asking Rahul Gandhi what's going on in Bengal. He may have made that up. But anyway, after having said all that, now AK Antony goes with a begging bowl to the left. You go with a begging bowl to the left because you want to keep Modi out. I mean, come on. Why did you do this self-goal? Why is Sonia Gandhi asking for this?
Arnab, first of all, we did not go with a begging bowl.
You have gone with a begging bowl today.
The biggest... Let me complete it. The biggest challenge today before the country is to uphold the secularism and integrity of this country. The fact remains. Let me complete. The fact remains that NDA today has only 3 partners with them left, the major partners, except with the other so and so. And all the parties they are trying to woo are not coming with them only on the plank that it is no more a party which is represented by an ideology. It is a single man party which is represented by a person.
Then why are you going to the left with a begging bowl?
Tendency. At this stage, we do not go to any parties with begging bowl. We propagate our ideology. We say we stand
for ideology?
And the parties which believe
ideology. You know what ideology? One second. 1 minute. Abid Rasool Khan. Abid Rasool Khan. I'll tell you this. Abid Rasool Khan. Rahul Gandhi's words are going to come back to haunt him. Rahul Gandhi said, 1 second. Ideology. Ideology. You say Abid Rasool. I'll tell you what you call the left.
I will complete.
No, 1 minute, Abid Rasool. Listen to this. This is uncomfortable fact. You need to listen to this, Abid Rasool.
The fact remains, Arnab, that today the country needs an ideology which is going to keep the country together, keep inclusive growth, and keep all the sections together.
Really?
And stop criminalization of politics and stop criminalization of politics which is happening. And I personally feel that at this stage, the whole country, unite to stand by this feeling. Now the fact remains that in 2004 and 2009, it was not minorities who voted out BJP, but it was secular India which voted out BJP in both the elections.
You see, before you put the secular card out, I think Piyush should respond now. I'll just put one quote of Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi in 2010 said the ideology of the left front is the dead ideology. He said this is the dead ideology. It is time we throw this dead ideology aside. Today, look at your situation. Before the elections, you go with a begging bowl to people who you claimed 3 years back have a dead ideology. That is the position you've come down to, Abid Rasool. BJP response, Piyush Goyal responding here to the Congress and the AK Antony's offer to the left to work together.
Arnab, I think the very fact that the Congress has seen the writing on the wall is very clear. They have not even been able to announce a leader, and they have tried to project that their constitution does not permit them to announce a leader, which we all know is completely false. You have yourself on your channel highlighted that. The second part is that this government, the Congress-led UPA, has so much failures to its credit that I don't think even the allies want to align with them anymore. One after the other, their allies have deserted them, whereas the NDA is expanding by the day. We have people who are coming to us based on a program, based on the ideology of the BJP, and many of them who have realized that some of their wrong perceptions of the BJP were really misplaced and have come to us in the hope of a better tomorrow for India. For the BJP, it is India first. Secularism is an integral part of India. Secularism is in the blood and grain of India. For us, it is justice for all, but we do not believe in appeasement. The appeasement politics of the Congress has divided India into vote banks. Shahid Bhai has mentioned earlier before me that the Muslim minority has been used by the Congress over several years. And the idea of a third front is in any case a failed idea. They have already dislodged four governments.
There is a precedent, Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal, there is a precedent. There is a precedent. Piyush Goyal, there is a precedent wherein the BJP...
Ideology is not the consideration.
No, ideology. See, the fact is there is a precedent when the BJP has emerged the single largest party but not been able to form the government. Like 1996. You may claim the United Front government did not last long.
And then you saw what the
you may say it did not last long.
But then you saw what the Congress did. They propped up a government.
Yes, but they kept
up a government.
But they kept you from forming the government, Piyush Goyal.
And then the public gave them a fitting reply.
No, Piyush Goyal. Piyush, 1 minute. Piyush, you may claim it did not last long, but the fact remains they all colluded successfully with outside support from the Congress party to keep you out of power for 2 more years. That precedent proves, Mr. Goyal, that secularism is a strong enough glue. You may not like it for political parties to group together against you and recreate a 1996 kind of situation.
Well, we are delighted if the DMK wants to align with them again. They have all sorts of allies who are full of scams. Whether it's the NCP in Maharashtra, whether it is the Muslim League in Kerala, all across the country, the only parties that are now aligned with the Congress are tainted parties.
Accepted by them. Now
and we have a situation.
What a change of thought and what a change of mind,
where every ally of the Congress is also praising Mr. Modi. So you have a situation where their allies in Kashmir are praising Mr. Modi. Their allies in Maharashtra are praising Mr. Modi.
Where Shiv Sena is putting candidates against you.
Well, sadly,
you don't even have an ally left except Akali Dal. You have nobody left with you. Everybody have deserted you and have gone to because you have no ideology and your party itself has disintegrated. Now it is only a one-man show. Where is your party? Where your party takes somebody in today and send them out tomorrow. And you talk about such lofty ideals of your party. I am absolutely shocked, Mr. Piyush Goyal. And it is a fact that all your allies, starting from DMK, starting from Telugu Desam Party, starting from BJD, starting from Janata Dal United, have left you hot and cold.
Well, sadly for you, today the UPA stands disintegrated. I don't think you have any ally beyond the National Conference and the NCP.
We don't
whereas
mind.
the BJP
We are
has
fighting a war
expanded
of
to a
ideology, and we
6-party
will
alliance
fight it
in
even
Tamil
if it
Nadu,
means in
to a
disintegration.
3-party
But we are
alliance
not
in
as
Bihar.
desperate as you are. We are not as desperate as you are to take Mutalik. We are not as desperate as you are to take Saber Ali. We are not as desperate as you are to take Sri Ramlu inside against the wishes of your senior leadership. You have lost all credibility as far as your criminalization of politics.
Yeah, but you are
They're all leaving Congress.
The question
But,
goes...
but you have the right people like Mr. Masood who want to chop off their opponents' heads.
Where?
I think it is very
You
appropriate
are
that
talking
the
of a
Congress
district level leader.
sticks to
You are
people like
talking of
Mr.
a district
Masood
level leader. You are talking of a district level leader and to talk of Ram Sena, which says that I can start a communal riot by taking
My
money.
next question
What
is
are you
to the
talking? You have no
Samajwadi
this
Party.
thing.
1 second. Now listen here, gentlemen, 1 minute. A critical member of this secularism glue is the Samajwadi Party. Samajwadi Party works with the left as a group. Consider a situation, Samajwadi Party gets 20-25 seats. Okay, conservative, very conservative estimate. Left front gets 30-35 seats. Say 30 seats, 35 seats on their own. That's a block of 60 seats. Assume tomorrow the Congress does badly and gets close to 90 to 100 seats. That's a formation of 140, 150, 160 seats. A block of 160 seats that the Congress, left and Samajwadi Party can bring together. Can such a formation give an alternative 1996 kind of formula? My next question, therefore, is to, Madhukar Jaitley of the Samajwadi Party. Mr. Jaitley, on 25th of February, 9 parties came together led by the CPM and spoke of a pre-poll arrangement to keep the Congress and the BJP out of power. Right? Now that the election campaign is in full flow, you are not campaigning together. Jayalalitha, Nitish Kumar, Mulayam Singh Yadav, all constituents of this pre-poll arrangement have expressed their own prime ministerial ambitions. There is no ideological coherence in the so-called arrangement you have stitched up. And won't you concede today that after what the Supreme Court has said against you on Muzaffarnagar,